Welcome to Computics Technologies. In this video or in upcoming videos, we are going to learn Ethereum blockchain development. For that we are going to use Solidity. But first things first. What is Solidity? Solidity is an object-oriented programming language for implementing smart contract on various blockchain platforms, most notably, Ethereum. It was developed by Christian Reitwiessner, Beregszaszi, and several former Ethereum core contributors. Programs in Solidity run on Ethereum Virtual Machine. Solidity is a statically typed programming language designed for developing smart contracts that run on the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain platform that runs smart contracts applications that run exactly as programmed without any possibility of downtime, censorship, fraud, or third-party interference. The Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM. The Ethereum Virtual Machine or EVM is a piece of software that executes smart contracts and computes the state of the Ethereum network after each new block is added to the chain. The EVM sits on top of Ethereum's hardware and node network layer. Its main purpose is to compute the network state and to run and compile various types of smart contract code into a readable format called bytecode. What is smart contract? A smart contract is simply a program that runs on the Ethereum blockchain. It's a collection of code, its functions, and data, its state, that resides at a specific address on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, as we find out the basic definitions, we need to go ahead. To deploy smart contracts, we need IDE. For that purpose, we will be using Remix IDE. But what is Remix? The Remix project is a rich toolset which can be used for the entire journey of contract development by users of any knowledge level, and as a learning lab for teaching and experimenting with Ethereum. Remix IDE is a no-setup tool with a GUI for developing smart contracts. Used by experts and beginners alike, Remix will get you going in double time. Remix plays well with other tools and allows for a simple deployment process to the chain of your choice.